Well, what's going on again, guys? So I figured since I haven't done a video involving drums for a year now, I figured I would give you a quick review on some new, a little bit of new equipment I got. So, well, basically, I'm going to do just one piece of equipment for this video. But, you know, I haven't done a video, or I haven't uploaded a video since November of the washing machine after I repaired the agitator dogs. So I figured I would show you another video of this new cymbal I got from Guitar Center just yesterday. So as you can see, I got a new, well, not new, but used ZXT Zildjian 14-inch thin crash. Thin crash. And I didn't actually pay that much for it, which is a pretty good deal because this ZXT cymbal is one of the best B8 bronze cymbals out of most of the B8 line of cymbals. So, thin crash ZXT. This is obviously this is machine hammered. You can see it's really got a nice shine to it. Not too dull looking yet, but it sounds pretty good actually for a 14-inch thin crash, and it is actually pretty loud. So, and it does it's quite resonant, so that's kind of good for maybe like hard rock or heavy metal music. Pretty good, maybe beginner or even intermediate level or even pro cymbal. So. Zildjian ZXT cymbals, sadly, they've been discontinued. They're really good cymbals. And here's the bottom of the cymbal. You can see when I actually checked it out, I noticed there were a few corrosion spots on there. But really, all that matters is if as long as the cymbal is playable and it sounds good, that's really all that matters for me. So I'm going to give you a sound demo and, well, yeah, sound demo review and show you what this thing sounds like. So set the camera down while I get these headphones put on for ear protection. So just a second here, guys. There we go. Alright, so yeah, so there you have it. Now the cymbal's ready to go, and for the sticks I'm using the Hot Sticks, Tubi Hickory USA. Pretty rare, underrated stick brand drumstick company. But they make pretty good drumsticks for what they are. So anyway, so to start off, we'll just start lightly with the tappage, and then we'll keep building up our velocity, and then soon eventually we'll just get to the point of it, which is the crash. So here we go. So, and this is a wood tip acorn as they call it, I think. So here we go. Hopefully this is not like distorted or loud in the speaker, so. See the bell now. So now, let me just do that there to add in a bit. So, anyway, now let me show you the crash part of this cymbal. So, let's see. This is going to be loud, like I said, so I might have to, when I edit this video, I might have to kick the volume, or yeah, kick the volume down a bit. So. So there you have it. That's the sound demo of the Cymbal. Pretty short one for the video, but yeah. So far so good. I think I like the frequencies that you get out of this Cymbal. Pretty musical, in my opinion, I'd say. Definitely recommend this for a B8 bronze Cymbal. However, I have heard online on the reviews though that this is pretty much for light hitters, I guess. At least that's what they recommend it for. So that's why I actually have it hooked up here on the left-hand side from me, and this is going to just be used as a left-hand crash, not a main crash. I am going to eventually look into getting some new hi-hats because these Zildjian B8s, they're actually not mine. They're my friend's band leader's cymbals that he just had laying in his rehearsal room. So, and as well as that ride over there too. I think I might have showed you that before. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. But the B8 hi-hats just aren't as good, in my opinion. I mean, I'm looking on Guitar Center at some Zildjian AA Fusion 14-inch hats for $99 in good condition. So hopefully I can get around to getting those and maybe successfully or be satisfied with them. So I'd really like, I really like some new cymbals, and I'm also going to look at getting some brand new B20 crash cymbals, probably some Zildjian Vault custom shop. So yeah. So anyway, there you go. That was the main part of this video, and you saw it. So hopefully you liked the sound demo that I did. Probably I'm not, remember, I'm not world-class. I'm not a world-class drummer, but I am. I'm just. My talent's just. It's just what it is. So I guess I don't know how else to put it, but there you go. Anyway, so I'm not gonna actually, play the kit with this because I already did that, and I don't want to, take the risk of having the law called on us. So, because we live in a subdivision here. So, but anyway, there you go. There's the ZXT Thin Crash by Zildjian sound demo for you. So hopefully you enjoyed, as usual, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. And by the way, sorry if I kind of repeated myself and if my voice sounded a bit throaty, as usual, because it just happens when you want to get a video done in the least amount of time. So there you go, guys.